Hi, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Leah, and today I'm going to show you what was inside this box. On Black Friday, Missouri Star put their end of the bolt mystery boxes on sale for a really good price. It was 20 yards of fabric, and it came to about a little over $4 a yard of fabric. And the first box I ordered last year was really great, so I thought I would try it again this year. So let me show you what was inside the box. So here's the box. I did cut it open already, but I haven't looked inside. So this is the first time I'm looking. And so far, so good. All right, let me pull these out. Let me slide this over just a hair. Let's start with these here. This looks like a half a yard. It is. It's like a half a yard. Okay. That's pretty. That's nice. This is a white on white. Looks like another half a yard. I don't know if you can see, but there's little tiny white lines on there. These look like all half yard prints. This is nice. Yep, they're right at half a yard. These are perfect blenders. Lovely brown. And a blue. I actually have some of this. Perfect. More blue. These are perfect for my stash. I have some of this as well. You never have enough red. I love red. Another blue blender. These can go in anything, so that's great. These look almost the same. They are, so that's a duplicate. That's okay. I like the print. So far, just one duplicate, set of duplicate. Maybe more. Huh? Unicorns. Oh, these have glitter on them. Little faces. That's cute. This one's a little shorter. This is like a quarter. This is a fat quarter. Okay. This is also a fat quarter. All right, a solid white. A little disappointed in that. So far, one dud. I like to have prints. Words. These are cute. Another half yard. This looks like another fat quarter. Yeah, another fat quarter. Ah, this will match this unicorn print. Sparkly. I don't think I've ever used fabric with this much glitter on it. I wonder how good that washes. It's pretty though. Sparkly. Okay, big checks. I'm not a fan of big checks, only because I have a hard time cutting things straight. This one's cut pretty straight though. Like, all right, put that in the dud pile. This one's okay. Kind of makes my eyes look funny. I like this one. This is a shortcut. How much? This one's 10 inches. So far, everything's been a half a yard or a fat quarter. Ooh, Christmas. Love Christmas. This feels thick. What is this? This is nice. Very pretty. All right, I'm loving this one. This looks my eyes. Okay, so far this is my meh pile. Over here. Christmas. Oh, okay. This is cool. I just don't ever know what to do with this. I've seen them on the internet and stuff. I just don't know how to quilt or sew with them. So I do like that color though. This tab is making a lot of noise, so I'm going to cut it off. All right, it's in my way. There, that's better. Ah, another white. Why? Okay, not impressed. Not impressed with the duplicate whites. You know, they should save these for a solid. This one's okay, I guess. Here's another solid. Ooh, this is a batik. This looks like an island batik. I'm used to those. Probably have this shade already. That's a nice half yard print. I like batiks. I like them a lot. This is a cool baseball print. I like the coloring on that. Very cool. Another solid. Put that over there. This I like. This is one of those surfaces by Northcott. Very pretty. What are those? Is that like a lamp? Not sure what that is. It's like a lamp. It's shiny. I like it. I like the dots. This looks like a cave print. It's just thinner fabric, but it's pretty. I like it. I keep saying I like it. I like it. Oh, that's a pretty bird. I mean, it's not ugly. Just not my tones. I like the bright tones, the deep colors. It's kind of muted. It's okay, but okay. This I have no idea what I would do with. And why did they give me so much of that? That's like a yard of this. But this is a strikeout. If anybody's a fan, let me know. I'll put it in the mail. You can have it. Another batik. Pretty. Another solid. It's a nice color palette, though, right here. Okay, this is fun. And they actually didn't cut off the cars, so I could actually use that for something. I do like Halloween. That's cute. I like cutesy Halloween stuff, so this is nice. Okay, more of this. It's all right. Not a fan. More solid. Oh my gosh, more white. Huge disappointment. What am I going to do with that? Okay. I use white for backgrounds, and I usually need 3 or 4 at a time of yards. This is not enough for a background. I mean, what do you do with that? Like a white that doesn't match any other white. You like the black. And I like this blue. This is pretty. And that's it. All right. I had such good success with the first box. This one I'm just not as excited about. I mean, there are some good prints in here, and it was really cheap. These are fun. More duplicates in this box. I don't think the other box I did had hardly any. These are good. I like all these. I mean, I can even find something to do with this. It's just so cool. These are nice blenders. Good for scrapping. I'm just kind of disappointed in all these solids. They should just do their own solid box. I don't want solids in mine. I don't use solids a lot. So these are nice. I love the Christmas one. The birds are cool. Halloween. So I like this stuff. This is good. These are all half-yard prints. These, I mean, I can work with the solid. The whites I'm disappointed in. You know, these are hit or miss, but you're bound to get some you don't really like. And I would say these. And this, I mean, you got to be a fan. Not a fan. They should just put this on the discount rack and not in one of these. These are all I'm in love with. These are okay. These are meh. These are a disappointment. But that's the risk you take when you buy a mystery box. I mean, I do have some good stuff in here. It was cheap. It was cheaper than normal. It was like 80-something bucks. 85, I think. Supposedly 20 yards of fabric, so it should be $4 a yard. So if you look at it this way, I've only lost $4 on this one. It's 1 yard. So, but the rest, these I just don't like. But these, I can work with all of this. Would I buy another one? Maybe. If it's on sale. If it's a good price. This one was a good price. So I thought I would risk it. Wasn't as good as that first box. I'll leave a link in the description of the first box. I think I loved everything in that first box. And I bought it a year ago. Must be the Black Friday special. When they're on sale on Black Friday, that's when I snatch them up. But it'd be fun to play with some stuff in here. And there you have it. That's everything that came in that box. Which one do you like? Would you love getting some white in yours? Are you the Buckeye fan? Do you like checks? What would you sew with checks? I guess it could be like a, like maybe a strip on a bag or something. Like an accent strip or something. I mean, it's not ugly. I just don't know what to do with it. And this one just makes my eyes look weird. All right, there you have it. My Missouri Star Mystery Box 2025. It was a pretty good box. Not as good as my box last year, but it was still fun to go through. And I may do it again next year if they go on sale again for next Black Friday. Thanks so much for following along, and until next time, happy sewing.